When you open the Rei Tray product box, you will see 10 sets, each consisting of an upper plate, a lower plate, an anterior marker, and a guide pin. A user quick guide is also included to help users easily use the product in the clinic. Let's take a closer look at the components of the Rei Tray set. First, you use the upper plate for taking impressions of the upper jaw, and the lower plate is the part for taking impression of the lower jaw. The anterior marker, which is shaped like 6 anterior teeth, is used to set the reference points for the midline and incisal edge, and you can also use it for ray face and CBCT alignment. You attach this marker to the upper plate. Lastly, the guide pin is used to record the vertical dimension and centric relation and is also used for CBCT alignment. The guide pin attaches to the lower plate. To take an impression with Rei Tray, you'll need a few materials. First, you'll need an adhesive to bond the Rei Tray to the silicone impression material. You'll also need silicone impression materials like putty and light or regular body to take the upper and lower impressions. Lastly, a bite registration material is needed to record the occlusal relationship and to fixate the plates.